This is an ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14 laptop that came in for the hard drive is corrupted. So anyways, we're going to grab our T6 screwdriver and unscrew all the screws from the bottom, including the hidden ones underneath the little rubber feet that are hidden underneath it. So you'll use a metal pry tool to just kind of scrape them off, and then you can unscrew them after you get them removed. Make sure you keep track of them because you want to put them back when you're done. I was very disappointed to find what I found inside the laptop. You cannot upgrade the laptop. You can't add an extra SSD. You can't add extra RAM. So you just get what you bought when you bought it, other than upgrading the main NVMe M.2 SSD in there. It has many fans. Wow, that was funny. I mainly just made this video how to disconnect the battery of this laptop in case you needed to ever do any sort of repair, or you just want to know what's inside before you buy this laptop. And this is what it looks like inside the laptop. Not very great, just a bunch of fans. Use your plastic spudger to pull up the tape over the battery connector, and be careful to not pull it too hard because you don't want to pull off the connector. You slide it up just like that, and then you will pull it off by the tape, but it didn't happen for me. So what I did is use my plastic spudger and maneuvered it off, and it comes up straight up. You just lift it straight up to disconnect the battery. And that's how you disconnect the battery, guys. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more videos.